وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن سيدنا محمدا عبد الله ورسوله اللهم صل وسلم وبارك عليك سيدي يا رسول الله. Welcome my brothers and sisters to another day in the iftar. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless all of you. Allahumma ameen ya rabbal alameen. And at the beginning I wanted to thank Brother Ibrahim and Dr. Shahina, Dr. Muhammad K for providing the iftar for tonight. May Allah accept from them, Allahumma ameen. And they have our mother and their mother, and I told her, mashallah, it's a blessing from Allah to attend with us. It's ni'mah from Allah to have our mothers, our parents. And I told them, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said in the hadith, لَيْسَ مِنَّا مَنْ لَمْ يَحْتَرِمْ مَنْ لَمْ يَرْحَمْ صَغِيرَنَا وَيُوَقِّرْ كَبِيرَنَا. So in Islam, respecting our elders, that is one of the fundamentals in Islam. And remember, today is the day of the Raffle. And before I talk about Jannah, I wanted to tell you that today, as we promised, we have two prizes. We have two winners. One will take the golden earrings, and the other one will take the silver. So we have two winners today, and that's why we will have two kids will choose the winner. All what you need, just write the name, phone number, and the answer. What are the questions? Number one, name the 4 speeds in the Quran. Number 2, name the gates of Jannah. We talked about 8 gates in Jannah. So we mentioned this here, and we talked about the 4 speeds in the Quran during the Taraweeh Khatira. So we wanted to give the privilege to the one who is attending both. So one question from each department, from each section. So be sure to write down your name, phone number, email if you want, put the answer, and at 7:45 we will have, inshallah, the 2 winners. Okay, one of the things that I wanted to mention about Jannah, as Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, that the buildings of Jannah will be made out of gold, as we have today gold, but that's not the gold of Jannah. Okay? Number 2, we will have palaces in Jannah made out of diamond. So if you missed today's gold, you have a great opportunity to get the gold in Jannah. So do you want the gold in dunya or the gold in Jannah? Both. Allahu Akbar. MashaAllah. May Allah bless us all. Allahumma ameen ya rabbal alameen. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam encouraged us to make a dua seeking Jannah. And he sallallahu alayhi wa sallam told us to ask Allah for Jannah. And that's why we always say this dua. Allahumma inna nas'aluka ridaka wal Jannah. Oh Allah, we ask you your pleasure and Jannah. Okay, so I think that I need to keep quiet for some seconds to see the sisters, why they are busy. Okay, so if the sisters keep talking, we will make dua only for the brothers. I will keep making only dua for the brothers. May Allah bless you, brothers. Say Ameen. No, I want a good Ameen. May Allah let you all enter Jannah. Say Ameen. No, this is not Ameen for real brothers. We need brave brothers, good soldiers here. Okay, may Allah let you all enter Jannah through Ar-Rayyan. Say Ameen. I don't like it. No, I don't like it. Wallah, I don't like it. Some people didn't respond. I need the sisters to hear your Ameen, okay? May Allah let you all get the blessings of the Quran in Ramadan. Say Ameen. Ameen. Allahu Akbar. That's it. Okay, this is Ameen. Okay, sisters. You want to have dua? You see, they refuse dua. Astaghfirullah. Astaghfirullah. Okay, for our sisters. May Allah accept your fasting and bless your children. Say Ameen. Ameen. Who is winning? Brothers or sisters? Okay, one more time for sisters. We'll give you another try. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala let you all enter Jannah al-Firdaus. Say Ameen. Ameen. Sisters winning. MashaAllah. They are winning. MashaAllah. You know why I said sisters are winning? You don't know the secret. Because my wife is there. Need to be safe. Sorry. Sorry, brothers. Okay. What's the time now? 45? Okay. I need Noora. I need Noor. Where is Noor? And our boy. Not the Mu'adhin. I need you for Adhan, okay? Yes, Bismillah. Bismillah. Inshallah. Can you turn to them and say Assalamu alaikum? Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Okay, are you ready to choose? Okay, where is the boy? Yes, come on, Habib. Come on, mashallah, mashallah. So one will choose the first winner, the other one will choose the second. Can you say Assalamu alaikum? MashaAllah, alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah bless them. Okay, do you still have answers you didn't put in the box? Come on. Okay. Too late, right? Okay. If anyone still has answers, put it in the box. I will count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, perfect. I want you to choose only one, okay? One name. Do you want to shake it one more time? One more time? Okay. One more time? Okay. Just choose one answer. Okay. Bismillah. He didn't put his name. He didn't put his name. No, he put his name. Okay. Are you ready to hear his name? Do you think a brother or a sister? A brother or a sister? Okay. The answer or the winner for the golden earring is our brother Islam. Takbir. Takbir. So here's the golden earring. Brother Islam, come and get your prize. Come on. Bismillah, come on.
I'm the winner.
Allahu Akbar. You see? Okay, Bismillah. So the other prize is silver bracelet. So let's see who will be the winner. How many times do you want me to shake the box? Huh? 3? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, are you ready? Just 1. The second winner, Sister Ruby Alam. MashaAllah. Brother Faisal will get the prize. I know, but you have to come to receive it. So this is the silver bracelet. Now you will say, my wife is the winner.
Ruby is the winner.
Oh, my wife.
My wife is the winner.
That's right. I think you should be drawn.
Yeah.
May Allah bless you. Thank you so much. You know, the sense of being one family and trying to make a smile on the face of everyone, that's our purpose. May Allah accept from all of us. Let's go for adhan. May Allah accept our siyam. Allahumma ameen ya rabbal alamin.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Hayya ala salat.